Hello YouTube and welcome back to John Toycars. In today's video we're going to check out our first Matchbox playset, Matchbox on a mission, and the mission is Yeti Avalanche. This is one of those smaller sets and it has an action controlled by this action slammer. This is the little playset on the box itself, and you can see we have a snowball. Obviously we have one Matchbox car included, and that one looks very nice. Even though it is a small playset, it looks very fun by the look of it. We can see the scary big Yeti on the box and the action slammer. As in the Hot Wheels Street Tracks or in the newer Workshops Track Builders sets, these Matchbox sets can be connected together and create huge layouts. And this is everything that comes in the box. It requires very little assembling. Oh, and we have some stickers. Nice. And the assembly done very easy. The little flag here. We have the Yeti sticking here. And the little bridge here. Just like this. And this last wind jammer, I think it's called, here. And the playset is ready to play. And we are going to use the one car included, the Matchbox car Terrain Transfer. Another Matchbox car, the Corvette ZR1. And also two Hot Wheels cars, the North Hammer and the Jackhammer. And the Corvette is going first. Oh no, a wooden bridge. Oh, huge Yeti is going to get me. And the North Hammer is coming to the rescue. And the terrain transfer. Oh no, the bridge is down, and the Yeti is here. How are we going to cross again? Oh, let's cross now, fast. Oh no, the Yeti is up again. Everybody run and hide. Wait for me. Hey, no, this place is taken. No. Hey, the Yeti is here. What are we going to do? We don't have where to run or to hide. Hey, I have a plan. Do you see that snowball over there? Yes, I see. Well, let me tell you what we are going to do. Oh no, why do I have to be the bait? Oh no, he got me. Oh, he didn't get me. I am free. We made it. Well done, my friend. Now let's go drink some tea. And this is all for today. As you can see, it is a very fun little playset if you know how to use your imagination. Obviously, it's even more fun if you can get more sets from Matchbox and connect all of them together. We managed to defeat the Yeti by working together as friends.
Don't forget to check my other fun videos. Thank you for watching. Happy